Oh, no way. No way he sent that over. Oh my gosh, I didn't even know this was getting sent over. I'll talk about this in a second. Yo, what's going on, guys? It's your boy Shockruh. Today I'm bringing you guys an unboxing video from my friends at Misfit Mining. They have sent me over something really cool for mining materials, and I want to show you guys what it is. If you want to stay connected with them and also get these materials, their Discord and all their social medias will be down below, as well as if you want to stay connected with me, my Discord and all my social medias will be down below. But without further ado, let's get right into this video and see what's inside this box. Alright, I guess we can open it like this. Alrighty. Let's see. Whew. Whew. I see my name. Let's see what else. Oh. Boom. Boom. Oh, no way. No way he sent that over. Oh my gosh, I didn't even know this was getting sent over. I'll talk about this in a second. Oh my goodness. Chump. Misfit Mining. You shouldn't have. This is something. This is something. Oh my goodness. You got the black and the white. Alrighty guys, this right here is a GPU hanger. You're going to be able to attach your GPUs and hang them from a wire rack and do this more as a DIY type of style of a mining rig because of how much mining rig frames have came up to. They're about $200+ guys. I mean, I got one that I ended up not using and it still cost me about $100. So mining rig frames are really expensive right now. This is a cheaper alternative. If you guys do want to try and get these, their Discord is down below. You can message ChumpchangeXD, Teaspoon, or text Sinji, and they'll be able to help you guys, as well as the creator of this invention, the Great Baldini. His social media is down below as well. These are absolutely insane. I'll show you in just a second how they work on a wire rack just so you can see, but this is going to change the game, guys. DIY, mining peripheral of the year, whatever you want to call it, this is what you need to go get. And they even did a custom order for me and put my name on it, Shockruh. So I'm very thankful for that. And as well as they come with all these other different clips. I don't know exactly which one does which, so I don't want to speak. But they have different clips to be able to hold your PSU, motherboard, and other things in place. It's basically a full DIY mining rig frame that you can do with a wire rack. It's very awesome, very smart idea, very smart guys over there at Misfit Mining making this great invention at such a hard time to be able to get mining rig frames for such an expensive price. And before I show you guys how these GPU hangers work, I just want to say a huge shout out to Misfit Mining and ChumpchangeXD for sending this fan cover over. This is a prototype they're working on for the wire rack system. This is the Rigo rack system. This is what it's called, but this is the fan covers they're going to be adding here soon. You can see Chump's name along with his logo, and this is a very dope item. I appreciate them for sending this over. I didn't even ask for this. This was just a free little extra gift they sent from me. Thank you so much. Now let me show you guys how these hangers work. We're currently in my closet where I have my DIY mining rig build. I'm going to show you how easy it is to just hang one of these hangers on the wire rack. I'm not going to be cutting down these GPUs today just because that's going to be next week's video on how to build a DIY mining rig. But this is how easy it is to hang these hangers, guys. You just come up under here. It's a little scoop and boom, they're hanging and they're secure. I mean, I'm pulling on this thing. Obviously they're not steel, so don't pull too hard. They are plastic. But this is a cheaper alternative than going and buying a mining rig that you're going to wait 2 months for and pay $200 for. So it's just as easy as that, guys. Next week it'll be the DIY mining rig showing you step by step on how to actually set up the GPUs and hang them all. But if you like videos like this, please smash that like button. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. If you want to stay connected with me and all the other people that I mentioned in this video, all the socials will be down below. I appreciate you guys so much, and keep on mining.